Hey guys, so welcome to help screen, and if you want to fix this issue right here, first thing is just simply go ahead and tap on OK. And now this sh- hap- and now this error happened, guys, because your account is on professional mode. So you have to switch back to your personal account in order for you to make your account private. So just simply go ahead and select the profile icon on the bottom right, and just simply select the three lines on the top right corner. And now over here, guys, you could just simply scroll down. You should be able to see here for professionals category, and just simply select creator tools and controls. Now over here, you could just simply select switch account type. Now from here, you could just simply go for switch to personal account. Now, a pop-up window will show up, and just simply select the red switch to a personal account. Now, just simply wait for it to be loaded by Instagram. And as you can see, we have now switched to personal account. Now, right away, we should be able to see here account privacy. So tap on it. And from here, when you go for your private account, turn it on and just simply select switch to private. And as you can see over here, guys, you should be able to make your account private. So that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.